So there are some traditional Chinese New Year dishes that we have every year. One of them is a radish cake, which represents good luck, and it has different ingredients in there like white radish, some green onions, some Chinese sausage, some mushrooms, some dried scallops. And so you can have it pan-fried or you can have it steamed, both delicious. The steamed version would be a better choice, and if you wanted to reduce the amount of sodium in it, you can reduce the amount of Chinese sausage in there. You can also dip it in some garlic chili sauce or some low sodium soy sauce just to help lower the sodium content. The next dish that we have here, we have some steamed chicken, and to reduce the amount of saturated fat in it, you can either remove the skin completely or just eat part of it. You can dip it into some really nice flavorful ginger scallion dip that we have there. It adds a lot of flavor without the salt. You can easily make that at home in your food processor. So we know this is Patrick's favorite, and we eat the fish because it symbolizes increasing prosperity. And we have the soy sauce here on the side. Why we've done that is so that we can control how much salt that we add to the fish. Something that you can do at home is mixing soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce, with some low sodium chicken broth, and also combining that with some scallions, some ginger, some cilantro to just add that extra flavor to this beautiful fish. So we've got the Buddha's Delight here, where it has a variety of different dishes. And for Chinese New Year, because the focus is on a lot of meat, a lot of protein, it's really important to include some vegetables within your dish to add some vitamins, some minerals, some antioxidants. And this particular dish, sometimes it has mushrooms and it has different vegetables. It has bamboo shoots, pea shoots. And what's great about it, it has different ingredients that symbolize different things. So for example, it has the sea moss in here. And this is really delicious. It absorbs a lot of flavor, and this symbolizes wealth. Sometimes it has rice noodles in there that represents longevity, lily buds in there that represents living in harmony. So a very meaningful dish. This here, we also have some oyster mushrooms and some romaine lettuce put together. Another easy way that you can add some more vegetables into your Chinese New Year. One thing I want to point out is that many dishes can be made with things such as dried scallops or dried mussels and dried shrimp. These are very flavorful, but also a source of hidden salt, so you can use it sparingly, and you don't need a lot of it to bring that flavor through to your dish. After the large Chinese dinner, typically there are about 4 different desserts that come up. Sometimes mango pudding, almond cookies, you have red bean soup, and you have this really special dish here where you have these sweet rice dumplings in a ginger sweet soup. And inside the dumplings, there can be different types of fillings inside. Sometimes it's sesame, black sesame. Sometimes it is that red bean mixture, all delicious. After a large Chinese dinner, you likely don't need to have all 4 different desserts, but you can choose your favorite one, savor it, enjoy it, and aim for smaller portions. So there is no one diet that fits all for people who have chronic kidney disease. Some people might need to restrict their potassium or phosphorus, but it really depends on what your blood test results say. Talk to your family doctor or talk to your doctor to get referred to a dietitian, because a dietitian can help you design an individualized way of eating to help you manage your chronic kidney disease. I hope some of these tips have been helpful to enjoy your Chinese New Year while still taking care of your health.